I'm good. I'm Chase, by the way.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Okay. Let's see. Is that the key right there, sitting there?
It just, yeah.
I got you. All right. We'll get you in here. Okay. We're gonna grab that latch right there and pull it up. That should do it. Come on, get on there. Boom. Alrighty. There we go. She's unlocked. Yeah, absolutely. There's your key. By the way, I've noticed it's a little warm. We do make keys too, so that it doesn't happen again. Okay. But yeah, you just let me know.
How much is it?
It's 80 bucks.
Okay.
Okay, you have a great night.
You too, thank you.
No problem at all.